All right, here we go. Monday morning. Let's get that cup of coffee. It's time to roll. Here's what's shaking and what you need to know for the week ahead. Markets heading into today's open are in the red. Global equity markets, stock markets across the board have been weak on some weaker than expected Chinese data that came out last night. So Chinese retail sales came out much lower than they had expected. That's putting pressure on these markets. We're also seeing pressure on the oil market with this fear that weak Chinese data could lead to weaker than expected demand. So oil back below $68 a barrel, trading right at $67 a barrel. That's about a 1.5% move lower. So what do we have on tap for this week? Well, on the economic data front, we've got retail sales number coming out tomorrow. Wednesday, we have minutes from the last Federal Reserve meeting coming out, and that's about it. So a lighter than you would like week on the economic data front. We're going to round out earnings season. We've got a few more earnings coming out this week. We've got kids starting to go back to school. Everybody's winding down summer vacations. Hopefully, fingers crossed, this is the last week that we had a bit of this summer slowness and we get some things to pick up as far as volatility is concerned. We'll see what shakes out this week. All right, folks, it's Monday morning. Weekend's over. Time to get to work. Let's go. I'll talk to you again tomorrow.